Hey, hey, what's up? What's up? Happy Monday evening, June 25th, 2018. Josh Greason coming to you live tonight from Forex Bootcamp. Hope you all are doing well out there, having a good start to your week. Happy Monday. So, doing our series of daily videos, one video per day, times 1, 2, 3, 30 days, about my Forex trading life and what it looks like. How does it fit in with regular life, full-time job, wife, kids, commitments, hobbies, passions, dreams, goals, other things going on in life. Busy, just like you. How do we fit in Forex trading life? What does it look like? What is the Forex? How do we Forex trade? How did I learn to Forex trade? Why did I get into Forex trading? What's my long-term financial goal? What kind of money is possible to be made? How do we compound profits? What tools are you using? What software? What strategies? Are those things hard to do? Who's teaching me? Who's walking me and grabbing me by the hand and taking me from knowing nothing about Forex 9 months ago to where I am now, to where I'm headed into financial freedom, and who could do the same for you, and how can I help you to do all that? So that's the series of videos. We've done 24 so far. We're on video 25 of 30, almost done, 5/6 of the way there for you fraction fans. So tonight's topic, let me see, did I pass I think I passed, oh, there we go, right there. Tonight's topic, creating a trading plan. Super important. What's a trading plan? Why is it important? Because failing to plan is planning to fail. That's for real. If you don't plan, you will fail in trading. You can't just go willy-nilly off the cuff, shooting from the hip and expect to be successful in trading long term. You got to have some sort of plan. And so how do you develop that plan? First, if you're part of my team, I walk you in by the hand, knowing nothing about Forex. I give you a very progressive, methodical, step-by-step way through the various tools and strategies and mentors and all the stuff, because really we have so many ways to make money. How do you do it all? You can't do it all. So, and you're not going to want to do them all. You're not going to like all of them. You're going to like some of them. Some of them are going to fit your life. Some aren't. So it's my job to make sure you get exposure to all of those things and find out which ones work, which ones fit your personality, which ones fit your life schedule. That's it, basically. And then once you discover which ones work for you, you get consistent results on those things on demo, risking nothing, play money, trading. Then we develop a plan around what works, and we put it on a plan. And this video is about some of the things that we consider when developing your plan. So, I mean, you could do this on your own, or I'm happy to help you do it. It's just kind of up to you. Everybody's different. But here's some of the things that we consider. You're going to scalp, or are you going to swing or position trade? Scalping, for those of you that don't know, it's just a little short-term trading. You're in, you're out. It could be minutes, few hours, same day, kind of in and out, short-term trades, short distance, short amount of pips. Or are you going to do more long-term swing trading, which could be a couple days, couple weeks, position trading, couple weeks, couple months, just depending on what kind of trader you are. Are you just wanting to be in and out, quick rewards? You're okay with shorter terms and stacking and doing a little bit more in terms of a number of trades versus someone who wants to get in a long-term trade, put it in, set it and forget it, let it ride for a long time, and you have the patience for that. And everybody's different. So that's what I mean by like personality, character stuff, which one's going to suit you. And also, we all have different schedules. Some of us can do scalping. Some of us are like work 18 hours a day. There's no time for like doing a bunch of different trades. It's just your lifestyle. What's your schedule? What's your life? What's going to suit you in terms of trading style? That's the first thing. And then along those lines of what suits your lifestyle and schedule, days and times and sessions. Are you going to trade 2 days a week and that's it? Or are you going to trade, market opens on Sunday afternoon, U.S. time, and you're going to trade all the way through till it closes on Friday afternoon? Or are you going to, cut off the ends and trade the middle? Or, what are you going to do? Are you going to trade daytime? You're going to trade nighttime, New York session in the morning? Or are you going to do Tokyo session afternoon, evening? Asia, whatever you're going to do, London overnight, because you are a midnight shift worker and that makes sense for you. Everybody's different, again. Or maybe you live in London, you live in the UK, and that makes perfect sense for you because that's your daytime. Again, find what suits you. And then along those lines, with the days and hours and sessions that you want to trade, you may want to choose a couple of currency pairs to specialize in that you really get familiar with their movement. You get to know the personality of how that thing moves so that you can be extra profitable on those couple pairs. Or are you just going to look at all the pairs and whichever one looks the best, you're going to grab those? Everybody's different. And choosing the currency pairs also, you take into consideration with what sessions are going to be on. Like if you're going to be a London session overnight person, you may want to trade Euro and GBP because that's when they're awake and that's when those currencies move the most. If you're going to be U.S. time, daytime, you're going to trade U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar because the United States of America and Canada is awake during those times. It makes sense. That kind of thing. And also taking into consideration currencies, which ones move a lot of pips. You don't want to pick something that's going to move, drag, and slow, and it's going to take a long time to get any profit out of it. So all those sorts of considerations when choosing currency pairs. So far, we have scalping or swing trading, days and sessions, currency pairs, tools. Which tools do you gravitate toward? The web analyzer for people who are on their computer a lot at work or at home, and they can flip over to a tab when they hear a notification, enter a trade, and it's not a big deal. They can do that. They can stack up little short pip moves and pile them up, and that suits you. Or are you just going to take swipe trades because you don't have time for a lot of this stuff? You're just going to take those 10 or 15 swipe trades that come in a week, 30 seconds, enter the trade, maybe manage it to bump your stop loss down or something, but talking a few minutes a week, that's all you got time for. That's all you're going to do is swipe trades. Or are you going to do the harmonic scanner and you're going to really focus on the education piece and master the skill so that you can take it with you as you go into the future so that you can trade on any financial market and do that. So the harmonic scanner. And then once you choose your tool, web analyzer, harmonic scanner, swipe trades, whatever, what strategy are you going to use on that tool? So on the web analyzer, you're going to do David's 4 rules. You do sheriff strategy. You're going to do BRS strategy. If you're on the harmonic scanner, you're going to do quick fire. You're going to do who knows what. If you're going to do swipes, are you just going to punch them in as the numbers come in? You're going to use our ninja strategy, and I would highly recommend that. So all these sorts of things. What other tools are you going to use? You're going to use any automation, any bots, any other tools that are out there, third party maybe, that you can add on and get more value? Are you going to use TradingView to do your charting? Are you going to use a VPS in the cloud to host the desktop so that it can run 24/7 and whatever? There's so much different stuff that you can do. We're going to pin down the tools and the strategies that make sense and that you're profitable on. Obviously, you practice on demo, play money, monopoly money until you get good at something. You can get consistent profits on that tool, on that strategy, and then you go live and you make that a part of your plan if you like it and it suits you. Next one, mentors. What mentors are you going to allow to develop you as a trader? You're going to go Stevenson Lindor, you're going to go Steve Greger, you're going to go Christopher Derrick, Kyle and Kevin. Everybody, you're going to gravitate to a different personality. They might have a similar trading style as you or one that you want to acquire and master, and you want them to speak into your life regularly. You're going to get on their sessions faithfully on iMarketsLive TV, tune in, take notes, and apply what you learn in those sessions. You're going to ask questions and get answers and learn to apply all the book knowledge from IML Academy, the tools and strategies pieces that you're learning on the side. They're going to help you make that all a reality in your trading and help you to become profitable doing it. So, mentors. Risk management, part of your trading plan. Are you going to, we talked about 1 to 3% per trade. Are you going to do 1% consistently every single trade? Or are you going to do 2% on every trade, 3% on every trade? Are you going to do 1% on your own trades while you're learning, getting confident on your own charting skills, and 3% on harmonic scanner trades because they have an 89% likelihood or whatever? Everybody's different. Maybe you just want to use 3% on everything. But whatever it is, you decide, you make it a part of your trading plan, and there you go. Goals. What do I mean by that? Pip goals, dollar goals, however you want to frame it. Percentage for the day. Increase of your account balance or percentage for the week. You decide on that. Is it going to be a 1% per day increase I'm headed for, a 3% increase per day I'm going for, 16% per week? Whatever your goal is, you put it on the plan and you stick to it. And then we also have that spreadsheet that works hand in hand with your plan as far as the profiting side goes and hitting your goals. And then remember, you hit it and quit it. You hit your goal, you quit, you walk away. And that could be one of your trading goals. So you have all these things to consider. Currencies, pairs, times a day, sessions, hours, mentors, tools, strategies, risk, goals. So these are all aspects that you work into an actual trading plan You might also have very specific trading rules, like I'm only going to get in a trade if A, B, and C. I'm going to get out of a trade if X, Y, Z. All these sort of things you put in there. Maybe a pre-trading ritual, maybe a post-trading ritual. Everybody's different and kind of fun, and so it's very individualized. We find what works best for you. I'm happy to help you put it into a plan when you get to that point after you've had some exposure to all the stuff. And that's that. That's creating a trading plan. I hope that helped you in some way. This is video 25 of 30. 5 more videos to go. Hope you can join me for the rest. And if you like this video, found it helpful, hit like, please. Hit love, comment. Let me know you're out there and watching this video and get some value out of it. Or share it with someone who you think could get some value out of it, all right? Have a great night. We'll see you the rest of the week. Peace.